Hello and welcome to my channel. In this step-by-step video, I will show you how to claim your free domain at Hostinger. If you still don't have a web hosting account, I highly suggest you check out Hostinger's business web hosting package. I got mine for a little over $100 for the next 2 years. If you act fast, you can get yours and save up to 70%. This package includes a free domain name for the first year and other cool stuff. I will leave the link in the description box so you can check it after watching this video. Now let me show you how to claim your free domain name. On your homepage inside Hostinger, click on Claim Domain. Enter the desired name into the search bar. I will enter Alec Online and select the domain name extension from the drop-down menu. I will choose .com, which I highly suggest you do, and click on Check Availability. If available, you will get a free domain for 1 year. After the first year, your domain will renew at the regular rate, in this case $16. Here is a warning. Before clicking the Claim Domain button, check again to ensure you wrote your domain name correctly, because you cannot change it later. If you didn't, click Cancel and repeat the process. If you did, click on Claim Domain. When this page opens, click on Next Step. Enter your contact details and click on Finish Registration. After the registering process is over, click on Continue. Besides your domain name, you will see Pending Verification. You will receive a confirmation email in order to verify it. Open this email and click on the verification link. Your email will be verified and you will see this message. Now go back to the domain overview page, click Refresh, and your domain will be active. And that's it. Now you know how to claim your free domain at Hostinger. Watch this video again, but this time implement what you learned to get your free domain offered by Hostinger in the next few minutes. If this video was helpful and you like how I teach in my videos, subscribe to this channel so you can come back later to learn other cool stuff related to website building. What to do after you get your business web hosting account at Hostinger and claim your free domain name. Watch my next step-by-step video on installing WordPress inside your Hostinger web hosting account, which is created for beginners. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the following video.